Welcome to TallyHelp videos. In this video, you will learn how to update terms and conditions while printing invoices in TallyPrime. Imagine you're a distributor who often shares invoices on WhatsApp. Customers sometimes might not be aware of the payment timelines or return policies, leading to unavoidable hassles at a later point of time. To avoid this, you can define terms and conditions in your sales, debit note, credit note, sales order, delivery note, and POS voucher types. In case you deal with different types of customers like wholesale, retail, credit, cash and carry, and so on, you can set up different terms and conditions for each type in the sales voucher type. You can also select default terms and conditions for the voucher type. Let's see how to print the required terms and conditions in invoices to ensure important business policies are communicated clearly to customers. Before you begin, ensure that set or alter terms and conditions is enabled for the voucher types. Specify a name for the terms and conditions and enter your full terms and conditions. You can have multiple terms and conditions for a voucher type. Set default terms and conditions for the voucher type. The first terms entered is selected default. You can, however, change the same. Once terms and conditions are set up, you can configure invoice templates to show them in the invoice. Every time the invoice template is selected for print, export or WhatsApp, the terms are shown in the output. However, you have the flexibility to change the terms and conditions during printing or exporting if needed. Open the invoice and press Ctrl P. Press Ctrl H to open the invoice template screen and select Use Template. Press C to configure. In the print configuration screen, set Show Terms and Conditions to Yes. In the Terms and Conditions field, the default terms and conditions will appear. However, you can change and select any other terms and conditions as required. For example, choose credit sales terms when printing invoices for wholesale customers. Or, select immediate payment when printing invoices for walk-in customers. In the Format of Display field, select single column or double column as needed based on your preference and template size. Let us select single column here. This is recommended if the terms have long sentences to ensure readability. Press Ctrl A to save. Now, if you select the preview of the invoice, you can see the terms and conditions appearing in the invoice template. In case you want to optimize the page usage, or if the terms and conditions are short sentences, you can select double column as format of display. You can see the terms and conditions in double column here. As you saw, you can update terms and conditions while printing invoices and ensure the required terms are displayed clearly in your business documents. Once you set the template as default, every invoice you send will automatically include the relevant terms and conditions such as payment timelines, return policies, or other business rules. This way, your customers are always informed, disputes are avoided, and transparency is maintained without extra effort. Thank you. On any screen in TallyPrime, press Ctrl F1 to learn how to complete the task.